We all want outdoor spaces free from biting insects, especially during warm evenings when mosquitoes can quickly ruin comfort and relaxation time outdoors. Best Mosquito Repellent for Yard delivers reliable outdoor protection using safe and effective solutions for patios. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. OnBeam 4500V Mosquito Repellent. The OnBeam 4500V Mosquito Repellent is a practical solution for homeowners who want dependable insect control across large outdoor spaces. Designed to cover up to 1 acre, this mosquito zapper uses dual LED bulbs that emit a wavelength specifically intended to attract flying insects such as mosquitoes, flies, moths, gnats, and wasps. Once insects approach the unit, the powerful 4500-volt grid eliminates them instantly. One of its strongest features is the dual charging system, allowing users to recharge through sunlight or a USB-C connection for added convenience. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery can provide up to 12 hours of operation on a full charge, making it suitable for overnight use. Multiple installation options, including hanging, staking, or freestanding placement, offer flexibility for different environments. With its protective housing and chemical-free operation, this bug zapper provides an effective and family-friendly way to reduce outdoor insect activity. Number 2. Dynatrap Insect Mosquito Repellent. The Dynatrap Insect Mosquito Repellent offers a quieter and more discreet approach to insect control compared to traditional electric zappers. Instead of relying on a high-voltage grid, it combines UV LED technology with a powerful yet whisper-quiet fan that attracts and captures mosquitoes and other flying insects. This system helps reduce mosquito populations by interrupting breeding cycles, making it particularly useful for large outdoor spaces up to 1 acre in size. The weather-resistant construction allows the unit to remain outdoors throughout the season, while the sleek black design blends naturally with patios, gardens, and backyard decor. Maintenance is refreshingly simple thanks to the touch button basket release, which makes emptying trapped insects quick and hassle-free. The long-lasting LED light minimizes replacement costs and upkeep. For users seeking a low-noise, low-maintenance mosquito control solution, the Dynatrap provides reliable performance while remaining unobtrusive in outdoor living areas.
Number 3. Flowtron 5600V Mosquito Repellent. The Flowtron 5600V Mosquito Repellent is built for users who need serious insect control over large outdoor properties. Combining a powerful ultraviolet black light with an included octanol attractant cartridge, this bug zapper uses 2 proven attraction methods to lure a wide variety of flying pests. The octanol cartridge mimics natural animal scents, helping attract mosquitoes and other biting insects more effectively. Once insects reach the unit, the high-voltage 5600-volt grid delivers an immediate kill. This voltage level exceeds many standard bug zappers as well, making it especially effective against larger insects as well. Designed to cover up to 1 acre, the Flowtron is suitable for patios, decks, farms, wooded areas, and large backyards. Another major advantage is its maintenance-friendly design, which requires no chemical sprays, propane tanks, sticky traps, or pesticide treatments. For homeowners seeking powerful and continuous insect control, this model delivers impressive performance and broad coverage. Number 4. PhatroyYee Waterproof Mosquito Repellent. The PhatroyYee Waterproof Mosquito Repellent is a versatile pest control solution designed for homeowners, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable protection from flying insects. Its 4-in-1 design functions as a solar bug zapper, indoor and outdoor insect killer, portable cordless fly trap, and camping mosquito zapper, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. The unit effectively attracts mosquitoes, gnats, flies, moths, wasps, and other flying pests using powerful dual LED bulbs that emit a bug-attracting wavelength. Once insects approach, the 4500-volt electric grid eliminates them instantly without requiring chemical sprays or pesticides. The upgraded 10-watt solar panel supports eco-friendly charging, while USB charging provides a convenient backup option when sunlight is limited. A full charge powers the 4000 mAh battery for up to 13 hours of operation. With flexible mounting options, IPX5 waterproof protection, and coverage of up to 1 acre, this mosquito repellent delivers dependable performance for both indoor and outdoor spaces.
Number 5. Type C IP67 Mosquito Repellent. The Type C IP67 mosquito repellent is designed for users seeking a low-maintenance and environmentally friendly way to control mosquitoes and other flying insects around outdoor living spaces. One of its standout features is a triple-panel solar charging system, which significantly improves charging speed compared to traditional single-panel units. When fully charged in approximately 4 to 5 hours, it can provide continuous overnight protection, making it ideal for patios, gardens, balconies, and camping areas. The built-in light sensor automatically activates the unit at dusk and turns it off at dawn, eliminating the need for daily manual operation. Dual charging support through solar power and USB-C ensures dependable performance regardless of weather conditions. Its IP67 waterproof construction allows it to withstand rain and outdoor exposure while maintaining long-term durability. The chemical-free trapping system uses 360-degree UV attraction and a powerful fan to capture insects without producing odors or toxins, making it a safe option for families, pets, and organic garden environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.